Do you worry about sharing your personal contact with people you don't know just because you want to connect with them on WhatsApp? Well, WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that allows you to connect with people that do not have your contact and people that you do not wish to share your personal contact with. Let me show you what it is and how to set it up. The new feature is called WhatsApp username. Now, what is WhatsApp username? So WhatsApp username is a unique name that you create for your WhatsApp account. So instead of giving people your contact detail, you can give them the username for them to find and then contact you. So the question is, why did WhatsApp introduce this feature? WhatsApp introduced this feature to make it easy and safer for people to connect on WhatsApp without having to share their contact details. Does this improve privacy? Usernames add an extra layer of privacy by allowing you to chat with people without having to reveal your phone number, especially when you are chatting with new people or joining communities. Let me show you how it is done. So the phone I'm using is iPhone, and it's pretty easy and simple. If you also want to do it on Android, you just have to follow the steps. So the first step that I recommend is for you to update the WhatsApp app. To do that, I'll go to my App Store, search for WhatsApp. I'll click on it, the first one. And here I can see WhatsApp Messenger update, meaning I have to update. So you have to update to make sure that this new feature is available on your phone. So even here, when you look at the banner below the WhatsApp Messenger, you can see now available. So initially it was a reservation, meaning if you want the username, you have to reserve. Now it's available. You can have your usernames live for people to search and find you. So the inscription here says WhatsApp username, keep your phone number private with a username. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So I will allow this to quickly update. Then I'll open the WhatsApp application for us to set the username up. Great, so it's done. So I'll open from here. So when the app opens, you just have to go to You, located on the lower right corner of your phone. Then you go to Accounts. So under Account, you see where you have the inscription username. Just click on it. Looking at what is written here, they say people who don't have your phone number saved will see your username. Yes, that's what we are talking about, and that's what I mentioned, that it improves privacy. So I have already set my app. If you haven't, you see create username, or if I want to change this, it's optional. So you can choose to have it or not. And you can change the username anytime you want. If I want to change the username I'm having right now, I'll just click on the edit, delete or change username. I'll just select the change username, and it will give me the opportunity to change my username and save. So now I have this username and I'm okay. There is an option here that says contact me by username. Yes, you can make it open so that whenever the person has your username, the person can contact you directly without having to input a password or a key. And the other option is for you to set it to people who know my key. So I will talk more about people who know my key in my next video. This is to show you how to set up your username. So I will leave it on everyone, meaning once you give out your username, the person can contact you. Okay. All right, I won't end it here. I would like to show you how to search for someone's username. Mostly people even save contact before they chat. Instead of saving a contact, you don't have to do that. You can easily make sure that you have selected the chat button here, and in the search box, you type the username of the person that you want to search. Let me see if I can remember one of my friends' username. Yes, so this is a friend's username. Okay, for him, I've already saved his contact, so once I input the username, the name will also show. If I haven't saved his number, it will pop up for me to click on and then chat with him directly. So this is pretty easy to do, and this is how to set up a WhatsApp username. Kindly input in the comment section whatever challenge that you are facing, and if you are able to set it up, kindly let me know so that I'll take you on under another video. That is how to set a user key, so that even when the person enters your username, still the person has to enter a key before they are able to add you to a group or they are able to chat you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.